Hello students, how are you? I hope you are in a cheerful frame of mind by the grace of the Almighty. I am also fine by the grace of the Almighty. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, due to COVID-19 pandemic, your classes have been hampered and you are not able to attend the classes directly. So you are supposed to participate in online classes. For this reason, I am holding this online class. Now the vacation due to coronavirus pandemic has been cancelled. Now your direct classes have started from 12th of this very month, that means 12th September 2021. Though we are holding classes directly or physically, on the other hand, we are holding the online class because some students may be absent and they may attend the online classes. So online classes classes are also held for considering the absence of the students, I think. And you know, your syllabus have been shortened due to this pandemic. And do you have the ideas on your short syllabus or revised syllabus? As I have written on the whiteboard, revised syllabus for the HSC examiners 2022, and in your textbook you have 15 units, but in the revised syllabus you can notice that you have only 8 units. The units are Unit 1, Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 6, Unit 8, Unit 9, Unit 11, Unit 12 and Unit 13. These are 8 units you are supposed to deal with among the 15 units. And in the writing part, you can also notice some changes. You have 5 items on writing, but now you have 3 items on this writing part. The 3 items are writing paragraph, it has 15 marks, story writing, that means completing story, it has 15 marks, and informal letter writing, you have 10 marks on this item of writing. So 2 items have been reduced, 2 items have been deducted from the writing part. The deducted items are, the reduced items are the map, chart or graph writing and the theme writing. These 2 items have been deducted or reduced from your writing part. So these are the ideas on your syllabus. And the revised syllabus, in the revised syllabus, the marks distribution have also been changed. In your first given passage, you have 15 marks on MCQ, 5 marks on MCQ and 10 marks on short answer, question and answer part, and information transfer or flowchart, you have 10 marks. Summary writing, on summary writing you have 10 marks, and close test with clues you have 5 marks, close test without clues you have 10 marks, and rearranging you have 10 marks. And these are the ideas on your short syllabus or revised syllabus. And as I told you earlier, your syllabus has been revised because of coronavirus pandemic for the convenience of you. You cannot complete your large syllabus. For this reason, your syllabus has been shortened considering the coronavirus pandemic. So this will do for the day. Thank you very much. And in the next class, I will deal with the revised syllabus of second paper. Thank you very much.